Congratulations, ikaw daw yung bagong captain ng team. Anong may pressure ba na ikaw na yung parang kanang kamay ni coach ngayon?
Well, hindi naman may iwasan po, especially sabi nga nila, I'm just entering my 4th year. Pero and also, yung mga susundan kong naging leader, medyo considered to be, I think, two of the best leaders this organization, or better yet, the league has ever seen. Si Kuya Gabe and Kuya Bo. And dumating ako sa league, nanonood pa lang ako before, alam ko sila na yung leaders, and dumating ako sa liga, sila pa rin yung leader. And just speaks volume to on what kind of people they are and what kind of leader they are. So really big shoes to fill, pero I'm also siguro, I consider myself lucky kasi usually ang captaincy nililipat pag nagre-retire or umaalis yung mga tao. Pero in this case, nandito pa rin sila sa team, matatakbuhan pa rin sila for guidance and sa mga tulong na kailangan ko. So, really lucky and siguro grateful din sa tiwala ng coaches and teammates and the whole management.
Itong team nyo ngayon, syempre last year parang sinasabi bata, maraming bata nag-overachieve, pupunta sa series and all. Itong year na to, tinatanggal nyo na ba yung brand na hindi na kami bata? Okay, well, na kami, we have to be better this time.
Well, since last conference pa naman sinasabi, nire-remind sa amin ni Coach Cheng na hindi na namin pwede gamitin excuse yun kasi hindi na rin kami bata kung tutuusin eh. Sakto, nag-add pa kami ng veteran presence na si Kuya Stan and
what's up, bro? Don't include me in there, bro.
Shout out Kuya Stan. And syempre, alam naman natin yung gano'n ka-valuable na experience lalo na ni Kristan. So, exciting. Sana exciting yung fans namin and really exciting conference or season for us.
And then last season, dami yung injuries, di ba? Pero nakakapag-series and all. Ngayon, si Felix, si Stanley, yes. Mas malalim yung team, mas marami ng Ricardo, itong Rain or Shine.
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo na excited ka na ba na masubukan ng full force?
Yun, really excited po. And sana hopefully makarating kami ng finals and hopefully win Coach Cheng's first All-Filipino championship in his career. So,
and personally, since turning veteran ka na rin sa team, meron ka bang gustong idagdag sa laro mo o may pinagpa-practice ka ba during off-season?
Meron po. Actually, this long off-season, medyo mahaba-haba yung off-season natin. Talagang tinabaho ko yung 3 points para maging consistent and sakto sa system namin. Yun ang produce. So, hopefully, makita ko yung hard work ko this off-season, this coming season.
Ano yung ideal successful season? Parang at the end of the year, anong masasabi mong etong season na to successful?
Nothing less than a finals appearance siguro po. Kasi yun talaga ang goal namin and sana siguro makapag-champion. Yun talaga ang goal namin and for me, gusto ko talaga manalo with this group of people. With this, yung samahan namin, sobrang iba eh. Talagang ibang-iba yung yung samahan namin, sobrang nakakatuwa. So kaya gusto ko talaga manalo ng championship together.